Create a colorful outdoor getaway at home with decor from the Spring Shop by Hobby Lobby. With a huge array of wind spinners, finding one you love will be a breeze. When it comes to adding character, garden stakes are a great place to start. Themed flags will also give your yard a boost of personality. Discover decor that's a breath of fresh air. And take your yard to new heights with birdhouses, wind chimes, and more. Whether rain or shine, Hobby Lobby always has an abundance of options, including planters to spruce up your gnome sweet gnome. Every step of the way, you'll find something new and wonderful waiting for you at Hobby Lobby. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.